by EVGA.
The world's fastest single GPU graphics card has arrived with the EVGA GeForce GTX Titan. This card is unbelievable with 2,688 processing cores, 6 GB of memory, and a 384-bit memory bus, which gives it 288.4 GB a second of memory bandwidth. EVGA will also make available a water-cooled version which can drastically lower the GPU operating temperatures. Today we're going to look at the EVGA GTX Titan Signature Edition. This one comes with a few extras, so let's see what we get on the inside. So right on top here we have an EVGA t-shirt. This is a special edition Titan t-shirt, and you can see it right here. The shirt size is extra large. Also included is a manual, a driver DVD, and also an EVGA case badge. Also here is a note about the power connectors needed for the GTX Titan, and a quick installation guide. This gives you a short overview of how to set up SLI. And a note here about UEFI. So this graphics card has a UEFI BIOS, and it is recommended by EVGA to update to the latest motherboard BIOS before installation. Also, an EVGA sticker is included. Here we have a new EVGA poster. This is a fold-out poster that's also included inside the box. And finally we have an EVGA mouse pad. This is a hard surface mouse pad, which is an excellent surface for gaming. And under here we see the first glimpse of the GTX Titan, but before we get to that, we have a DVI to VGA adapter, and we have a power adapter here. This is a dual Molex to 6-pin power connector. The cable is actually sleeved, so it's quite nice, and a dual 6-pin to 8-pin adapter. And here it is. So let's go ahead and get this open. And that's it, the EVGA GeForce GTX Titan. It's of excellent build quality, and special detail was paid attention to the cooler. It actually uses a vapor chamber cooler. On the side here we have a GeForce logo that actually lights up, and EVGA has a tool available on the forums which allow you to adjust this. So you can increase or decrease the intensity of the LED, or you can also make it pulsate, kind of like a heartbeat. And there's also a few other modes available as well. On the back of the card you can see all the memory modules here. Like mentioned, this card has 6 GB of memory, and EVGA will also be making available a backplate that can go on the back of the card, which will look very nice. On the I/O we have dual DVI, DisplayPort, and HDMI. And this card has one single 8-pin and one single 6-pin for power input. The Titan will also ship with GPU Boost 2.0. This gives 3 to 7% performance increase over the first generation of GPU Boost, and it monitors temperatures to determine what the GPU Boost clock speeds should be. Alongside GPU Boost 2.0 comes a brand new version of EVGA Precision X. This version has tons of new features, including temperature-based target control, a brand new UI, pixel clock or refresh rate overclocking, and voltage control on the GTX Titan. Yes, you can now increase your voltage. If you want to learn more about the brand new EVGA Precision X, you can check out our dedicated video on this, or you can download it for free at www.evga.com/precision. So now let's look at some performance. In Crysis 3 with everything maxed, 1920 by 1080 and 4x multi-sampling, the GeForce GTX Titan was able to maintain between 50 and 60 frames per second. This is an excellent result because at the very high settings, especially with multi-sampling, Crysis 3 can be very demanding on graphics, but it does look incredible. So there you have it, the EVGA GeForce GTX Titan, one of the most impressive cards that we've ever seen. For more information on this graphics card, please visit the EVGA website at www.evga.com or be a part of our community at forums.evga.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.